Okay guys, we are a very interesting group, very huge group. First of all, are you family, roommates, friends, what?
Friends.
Roommates of.
This happens only in India. Joker and the Batman and the Wonder Woman are friends. and Superman as well. We have one more. Superman Clark Kent. He's in the transition phase. He's not yet Superman yet. Why do you like Joker? All three of you?
The acting.
Since he played the character, it's pretty awesome.
Why do you like Batman?
His voice.
Okay. Here's the moment of truth. Wonder Woman and Batwoman. Let's see who's going to win. Come on. For all the Superman and all the Marvel freaks, there's also a set of Indian comics as well. And we have here a very unique Indian comic superhero. Just tell the audience what you're dressed as.
I'm dressed as Doga. It is a superhero, Indian superhero. He's from Mumbai and he's called Raat Ka Rakshak and Mumbai Ka Baap. And we are running this campaign, Save Indian Comic. So like we are helping out all Indian publishers and Indian artists.
Does he have any super special powers?
Yeah, so Doga, he's super muscular and he believes in guns.
Can he fly?
No, he don't fly. He don't have any superpower. His just strength is his power and the bullets are his power.
So how does he travel in Mumbai traffic? Does he use the trams?
No, he travels in night time on his bike. He do patrolling on the night only.
It's a very smart superhero to avoid traffic, drive at night.
Yeah.
And he's a very superpower, and it's a very good thing they're doing. They're encouraging Indian superheroes and Indian comics. Kudos to them, and very lovely outfit if I should add. Thank you so much. Any special character, any special line or dialogue Goka hai?
मेरी गन का ट्रिगर तेरी खोपड़ी पे ट्रिगर दबेगा, तेरा भेजा बाहर निकलेगा और उससे मेरा कुत्ता चाट जाएगा.
This is one of the only guys I've seen in full-on costume. Let me ask you one question. What is your favorite part of Batman?
I'm just Batman.
He's just Batman. I have a very curious question which I had for a long time. Superman, okay, understandable. But why does Batman wear his undies over?
It is to protect something.
Protect something, he has to wear something over. Why not under?
To show something that is being protected.
Show something that is protected. Man, Batman has it. Okay, now we know why it's called Batman. Thank you so much. Comic Con is not just about your friends, it's about your family as well. As you can see, the father and son both participating in cosplay. Let's ask them a few questions. So obviously there's no need to ask what you're dressed as. Obviously we know it's Darth Vader. But why Darth Vader? How did you come up with this costume?
Our family is a Star Wars family. So it runs in the family. Star Wars is mythology for us. Just like Ramayana and Mahabharata.
So who's your favorite character in Star Wars? Is it Darth Vader?
Yeah, it is Darth Vader, but I'm cosplaying as Luke Skywalker.
Wonderful, father and son. So if there was a duel between you both, who do you think would win?
I would say he would have won.
You feel the same?
Yeah, Luke wins.
Wow, what a nice caring family. And I wish you all the best for your cosplay.
How did you think about this character?
I was watching the movie a few days ago and I was like, why not have a female version?
If you would be given any superpower, what would it?
If I could read minds, that would be amazing.
Where is your princess?
Still to find.
Still to find?
Yeah.
So many beautiful girls out here.
Yeah.
You didn't find one?
All are beautiful. It's hard to choose.
All you Aladdin fans here, this is Jasmine. I finally found Jasmine here.
Hi.
Wow, you look really beautiful today.
Thank you.
Why Jasmine? You love Jasmine. What is the reason you picked Jasmine?
I've always loved Jasmine. Since I was a little kid, I always used to watch Aladdin and Jasmine used to be my favorite princess. So this is when I got a chance to be Jasmine. And
Have you got your Aladdin with you today?
he is somewhere. I've seen him. I can't find him now.
Aladdin is lost. Oh my god, should we take advantage of this? No, just kidding. What is your favorite dialogue of Jasmine? What is your favorite feature of Jasmine?
What I like about Jasmine is she has a pet tiger. I wish I could have a pet tiger.
No, she didn't get it. So tell me, why do you choose Catwoman this time?
Catwoman is one character which is anti-hero unlike everyone else. She's not stereotyped, she's a thief, but she only steals hearts.
Only steals hearts. So how many hearts have you stolen today?
I've stopped counting.
Oh my god. Can I include mine as well?
Thank you, sure.
So what is the favorite move of Catwoman?
Favorite move? Whip? Well, I'm scared to use the whip here because I don't want to hurt anyone. But then I like using the whip only on Batman.
Only Batman. Would Superman do?
No, not yet.
Damn it.
You're watching 1207.
You're watching 1207!